The little kitten is trying to go after Bumper's tail. Move a Dumpa. Dumpa Dumpa. Hold on. Oh, back over here, boy. Reverse. You Dumpa. Bumper. Come on. May, don't even think about it. Playing with his tail. Oh my gosh. How adorable. Uh-oh. Bumper's probably going to scream out in 3, 2, 1. May, don't come over here. Stop being so nosy. Get him. Get him. Here, baby. Here, Bumps. Bumper! It's going to fall to your death. Come here. You scared? Come here. No, no. Stop it. Stop. Be nice. Easy. Easy, Greasy. Get his tail. Get that Bumper tail. Get his tail. Blind and goofy as all. Get out. He's been. Bumper, stop being a punk. You are a dog and are afraid of a little kitten. That is a shame. A Dumpa. Want to get involved, May? Come on, stay over there. Come on, May. You getting in? You want in? Aww. Bumper, would you get out of my crotch? God's sake. 5 million other animals to play with. And 7 other crotches to get in related to a dog. I'm not one of them. Go sniff May's crotch. Missy wanting to get in. Come on, Cheeky. Cheeky Puerto Ricky. And come up on top. Come on, up. Come on. Stop.